Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to turn on the highest refresh rate on Windows 11. First of all, there's something that I need to tell you, because the HDMI cable can't reach the maximum of your monitor. Because the HDMI will goes to 120 and everything above there is not possible, so then you need a display port. So first of all, make sure that you are using a display port that looks like this. Then the second thing that you need to do is we go to search and we search for settings right here. And then you will find here your home screen like this. Then we click right here on system. Then we click on display. And then right here we scroll down to advanced display. And then from here you have here choose a refresh rate. And then you can select the refresh rate that you are using. So right now I'm using 60 Hz. Let's say we want to do 144. There it is, and then we do keep changes. And right now we are using the 144 Hz. So this is exactly how you can get the maximum refresh rate on your monitor. Hopefully this video could help you out. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.